Good morning, everybody. We're going to make some French toast casserole here in the Instapot. So let's get started. I had a request for more Instapot recipes, so I thought, well, this is easy and it's Ray's day off. Why not make it? So let's get going. We need 3 eggs. I'm going to read you the ingredients first and it will be in the description box below. 1 cup of half and half cream, a half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 loaf of French bread, which is right here, and a half a cup of blueberries, and 1 cup of milk. So let's get started. One thing is said that we need to spray the pan because some people were having a problem with it sticking. So I'll be right back. So I have the pan all sprayed. You want to spray it real well because you don't want anything sticking to it. So once we do that, we're going to cube the bread, which is right here. And we are going to whisk together the milk, the cream, the vanilla, and the eggs, and that's going to kind of make a custard. And then what we're going to do is we're going to mix the breadcrumbs and turn it into the Instapot. So let's get started. We are going first, we sprayed the pan, we cubed the bread. Now we're going to whisk together the milk right there, and the cream right here. We got that at a local farmer, so that should be really good. And the cinnamon, which is right here. Cinnamon. And vanilla. And if you guys watch my cooking shows, you know I love this vanilla right here. And I'm getting very low. That's Mexican vanilla. And it's got a wonderful, wonderful smell to it. Smells so darn good. That was a teaspoon of that. And then once we get that together, we're going to add the eggs. These are my farm fresh eggs right here. My girls are producing really well. I get about a dozen eggs a day. I have a hard time keeping up. There's going to be 3 of those right there. Just like that. And I'm going to grab a whisk. Every time I think I got everything and I reread, sometimes I miss it. So we're going to whisk this together. Just like this. I want to whisk that up really well. They're going to be good. Smells good, that cinnamon. I like cinnamon. Pretty soon fall's going to be setting in. We're going to have all that smells of cinnamon, pumpkin, nutmeg, and all that goodness. This is going to make like a custard. Just like that. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to put the breadcrumbs right in here. Oops. And this is a French bread, cut up, cubed up. Just like that. And now we're going to mix the mixture. I just want to make sure we got everything, and we do. And just one more stir. We're going to stir this up really well, just to make sure. And what we're going to do is pour this right over the breadcrumbs. And then we're going to sprinkle blueberries. We're going to sprinkle a half a cup of blueberries. Okay. and this is gonna make a custard, just like that. Well, I think I'll keep, now. Okay, we're gonna pour this right over. Just like this. Cinnamon, milk, cream, vanilla. Can't get any better than that. Oh my, doesn't that smell good? Okay. Want to coat that completely. So, guess what? We're going to use my Grammie spoon, and we're just kind of going to go like this. Let's kind of mix it in a little. Just like that. It says coat it pretty good, and it is coated pretty good. So I will show you what it looks like, just like that. And now we're going to put the 1/2 cup of blueberries in. These are Maine blueberries. You can use any blueberries you want. I happen to be using frozen because I didn't have any fresh. We have a blueberry field only about 2 miles from us, which is very convenient. So when I need blueberries, I just go up, pick a little bit, and freeze, instead of getting it all done at once. Okay, so we're gonna put this on a manual setting. We got everything in. We're gonna hit manual, and we are going to cook this for 15 minutes. And let me get the cover. Always check on your cover too, that your seal is really in there well, because sometimes steam will release if this is not put in correctly. Okay. I call that singing. You want the vent valve faced towards you. And when it's done, you want to release it. This one you can vent to the right or you can vent to the left. But to build that steam, it takes, maybe 7 to 10 minutes. You want that right in the middle. And you want it on manual, and you want to let it go for 15 minutes, and then you want to have a natural release. So there you go, right there. And I'll bring you back. Hi there, folks. Look, here it is. It looks yummy. The Instapot French toast casserole, right there. But I have a story to tell you. My Instapot gave out on me, and it wouldn't heat. So what I did is I put it in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. It came out beautiful. So then when I took it out of the Instapot, which I thought I did a pretty good job taking it out, I put it in an XL Power that my aunt gave me. It was a great big one. So I put it in there, and I thought I hit the correct numbers, and it didn't work. So I'm like, gee whiz, what am I gonna do? So I said, I'll put it in the oven. That's just what I did, and it came out beautiful. And then I decided to put some cinnamon sugar on top. And I think that made a huge difference. So folks, your Instapot can go to pot, I guess, as you'd say. And I did a backup. So let me cut a little bit. I like blueberries. How about you? Oh, this looks really yummy. And I have a little piece here, or a big piece. Well, I'll tell you what, Ray's gonna have a lot to eat. Okay, folks, that's what it looks like, and now I'm gonna tell you what it tastes like. And, very, very good. I have extra blueberries if you want to top it more, but this has a lot of blueberries in it. I just have to tell you, it's well worth making. That is very good. So folks, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and you'll see Instagram, Facebook. So, And MAINEiac Grammie has a page on Facebook as well. So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless.